Hello students, here we are going to start with class 8th Geography, Resources and Development textbook, first chapter Resources. Objective of this lesson: after the completion of this lesson, the student will be able to define the meaning of resources, describe the nature of resources, explain the concept of utility and value of resources, explain the economic value of resources, to analyze how time and technology can convert anything into resources.
Ma'am, why all these things are kept here?
These are resources. All these things stored here. People can come and buy them and consume them.
Ma'am, our food items are also a resource?
Yes, food items are also resources because we buy them to cook the food and fill our tummy. So, these are all our resources for us.
Ma'am, what is resource?
Anything that is used to satisfy our need is a resource.
Ma'am, is water also a resource?
Yes, water is also a resource. Come, I'll show you. Without water, we cannot survive, and nowadays potable water is decreasing, so water is considered as a precious resource. Now look at there, we have a reverse osmosis plant. Tell me what RO plant does for us?
Ma'am, it filters our water.
Very good. Nowadays we cannot use the water which we get it from the tap. We have to purify the water, then only we have to drink. Then only we'll be able to keep ourselves healthy.
Ma'am, look out there. Is that also a resource?
Wow, very good question. Come, let's go. These are also resource. There are so many equipments here. Every morning we come here and we do exercise. By doing exercise, how can we be?
Ma'am, we can be healthy and fit physically and mentally.
Very good. By doing exercise, we can be healthy as well as physically fit. Can you identify some more resources here?
That volleyball court?
Look at that court. There we have net as well as the court. While playing volleyball, we use that court. So that also becomes a resource for us. Anything else?
Ma'am, that stone?
Yes, that stone bench, which we sit and relax ourselves. So it also becomes a resource for us. Can you identify some more?
Ma'am, tree?
Yes, tree. Tell me how tree is a resource for us?
Ma'am, it gives us shades, it gives us pulses, fruits, vegetables, and it also gives us oxygen.
Very good. Tree is also a resource for us. Even some medicinal plants which are used for medicine purpose like Ayurvedic medicine.
Ma'am, is our textbook is also a resource?
Yes, our textbook is also a resource because we use the textbook for your studies.
Ma'am, what about these vehicles? Are they resource?
Yes, these vehicles are also resource because they have been used by us. And anything which we used, they have utility.
Ma'am, what is utility?
Utility is nothing but usability. For example, electricity is used from our home till big industries, right? So, without electricity, it is difficult to live. So, anything which we use, they have utility.
Ma'am, how does something become a resource?
Children, things become resource only when they have a value, and they get value when they have usability. So, every resource are having some value.
Ma'am, minerals like iron ore, aluminium and gold, do they have value? Are they resource?
Yes children, they are also resources and they have economic value. For example, gold. Availability of gold is rare and many need the gold. So, gold is having a high economic value. In contrast, for aluminium, bauxite is an ore which is available in large quantity. Therefore, economic value is lesser than gold.
Ma'am, what is economic value?
Economic value is a measure of benefit provided by a good or a service to the society.
Ma'am, then everything on the earth is a resource? No, Nikita. Solid waste is not a resource. They are waste.
No, children, even solid waste is a resource, because with the help of technology, we can reproduce fertilizers and energy from the solid waste.
Ma'am, does resources get economic value with time?
Yes, children, some resources get economic value with time. For example, coal. Before, coal was not considered as a resource because it was just as a black rock. But after industrialization, we got to know that the usability of coal. So now coal is considered as an important resource and it has got economic value now.
Ma'am, is technology also a resource?
Yes, children, even technology is also an important resource because the fast flowing water was converted into hydroelectric power with the help of technology. So, technology is also very important resource. For example, Japan imports iron ore and iron scrap and it is processed with technology. And produced finished products are again exported all other countries.
Ma'am, what about people? Are they also a resource?
Yes, people themselves are the most important resources because through their ideas, knowledge, invention and discoveries which leads to many other more resources.
Ma'am, can we convert anything into resource?
Yes, we can convert anything into resources. So, shall we all do an activity? Shall we all create a resource now?
Yes, ma'am.
We all know that we are going through a very tough time. And to protect ourselves, we have to use sanitizers as well as masks. Shall we all create a mask with the cloth?
Yes, ma'am.
So, students, shall we all create a resource now with the help of cloth bag? Now, I have taken a cloth bag. One side of the cloth bag, you just cut all the edges and keep it ready. Now, fold this cloth bag into half so that it becomes two equal half. Now, cut them. Now, you got two equal parts. Now, keep this aside. Now, with this, you just fold it into upwards so that you get pleats. After getting pleats, you just have to staple them in the each side. Now, with the other half, cut it vertically so that you get two strips. Now, attach these strips and staple them. So, students, with the help of cloth bag, we created a mask. And it is a very useful resource for us. So, children, here we have all understood the meaning of resources, the nature of resources, the utility and value of resources, the economic value of resources, and we also know how time and technology converted anything into resources. Students, in next session, Ms. Shruti will be explaining about types of resources. Wear mask, Stay safe. Thank you.